Last year I made this fruit Christmas tree for our Christmas Eve appetizer cocktail party, and it took 3 hours to make that. But it looked so beautiful on display that I really want to try again this year, but I'm going to make it super quick and simple. Using only red and green fruits should make the process go a lot faster. I'm using strawberries and grapes. I'm using 2 pineapples to create the base, which is pretty inexpensive. These were each about, well, under $2. I also think it's quicker to just leave the top on one of the pineapples. It's green and it's pretty, and it saves me time making the top of the tree. This pineapple will be the bottom half of the tree, and so I'm just cutting and trimming and making it so that I can attach the next piece to the top of it. And here I'm just trimming off a little bit of the excess of that one. Choose what kind of platter you want to display it on and put your base on so that you're ready to attach the next one, and you can just decorate straight on the plate. That's so much easier. And I use a few toothpicks, and that helps to secure the top to the bottom. I like to work from the bottom up, so I put a bunch of toothpicks on and started my row with using the largest strawberries that I had. And now, because I'm only using the 2 colors and the 2 fruits, this made the process go so much faster because I wasn't as concerned about what piece of fruit to put where. I really only had the 2 choices, so just went a lot faster. Now, I know adding all of those other colorful fruits can be tempting. I'm tempted to. It's lovely, it's beautiful. But even using just these 2 fruits, it took me still about an hour. But an hour is much more doable for me than 3 hours, and I still think it turned out really, really cute, and I feel like I can repeat this again instead of spending 3 hours on something that's just not practical. And I did throw in a few little red raspberries, added just a little extra red, which I liked. And then I threw a few decorative touches to that top green part and trimmed off what was dead and threw a star on the top. That just came from the dollar store. It was so cute and so easy to make it fun and festive. So there you have it. The fewer fruits you use, the faster you can make it. Keep that green top on. It's quick, it's easy, it's delicious. Everyone loves it. It's a win-win. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Bye, everyone.